I want to talk about this office chair that FlexiSpot sent me to do a video on. My favorite thing about this, obviously it's extremely comfortable, but how easy it was to set up. You see all the parts right there. That's the headrest right down there. It's about 75% assembled already, which makes it extremely easy. Put together the bottom, snap the casters on, and drop the piston right in there. Then you'll sit the larger part on there. Then you have to attach the headrest. That's it. Took me literally about 5 minutes. Finished product right here. You can see all the amazing features. It's got the leg rest right there. Fold away if you don't want to use it. The arm rests are adjustable, so you can move them up or down if you want. Right down here, you can adjust the height of the seat, and you can adjust the tilt with that knob back there as well if you want to lean back a little bit. Taking a look right there, you've got the adjustable headrest. You can move it up or down and tilt, and also has adjustable lumbar support as well. So you're going to be comfortable in this chair. I'm trying it out for the first time right here. You can see. Now, who's this going to be good for? I'm thinking, well, pretty much anyone who wants to be comfortable while they're sitting down. In an office environment, it's going to be great. A home office environment, especially. I think that's what I'm going to be using it for. And I think this will be great for gamers as well, especially with the leg rest. If you'd like to pick up one for your home office, click on the link in the description below.